This video guides you through setting up a patientzone account for a single specialist to allow you to send electronic bills to patients or other payors directly from ePractice. All information shown is dummy data. Click on Integration Services within Settings and you will be presented with a welcome screen. Click on Register Now and the following pop-up will appear. Some details will be pre-populated, so please check them carefully and add any missing details. The user account details should be those of the person who will be logging onto the patientzone website, so please ensure that this person is authorized to have access and that the email address is specific to that person and not a generic one such as info@. It is also worth completing the direct debit details at this stage, as patientzone will need these before you can start using the service. This should be the bank account associated with your private practice, as this will be where your funds are transferred to from patientzone and your transaction fees collected from. This will be pre-populated with the banking details you gave if you completed this section on an active PPR profile. Please check and amend as necessary. Remember to tick the consent box at the bottom of the screen and then click on Submit. The status will show as pending until the registration has been finalized. An email will immediately be sent to the registered email address to confirm the details supplied. You can have this resent by clicking here. A text message containing a verification code will also be sent at the same time to the registered mobile number. This will expire after 24 hours, although there is a way to have this resent. In the email, click on Verify Now and you will be taken to the patientzone website to confirm the email address, create a password and enter the verification code. You can request this to be resent by clicking here. Please note that the password must contain at least one punctuation mark or other special characters, have one lowercase letter, one capital letter, and at least one number. It must also be at least 8 characters. Click Activate Account when ready. You will be presented with a screen showing all the details previously entered. Please recheck and make amendments as necessary. Turn on the privacy settings as required, and then confirm consent to the terms and conditions before clicking the Agree and Create Account button. Once activated, the status within ePractice will change to active. The default will be Yes to send to patientzone. In addition to the standard bill template, you can create new ones in document templates and choose which one you wish to use when invoicing via patientzone. Changing the status to No will mean that you will not be able to send bills using this method. Once you have activated your patientzone account, you will receive another email from them welcoming you to the service and giving you some further information. Click on the button to log in. Type in your email address and the password that you set up. Click on Sign In and you will be taken to your dashboard giving you an overview. Clicking on patientzone Activity will give you details about transaction history, including the amounts collected and the fee charged. Clicking on Patient Transactions will give you details about the invoices you have sent via patientzone and their status. Practitioner settings will enable you to update practitioner details, change your password. You will be sent a new notification code to the registered mobile number before you can proceed, and manage notifications. It is in this section that you can choose whether you would like to be notified when patientzone receives a bill from your site or when they receive a payment. You can also change your options with regards to marketing communications.